Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox not joining mobile games. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're on an iPhone or an Android device and you try to open up Roblox and play games, but it won't allow you to join or can't load the game, I'll walk you through how to fix that. Now let's open up the Roblox app. There are a few things you can do inside the app and a few things outside of it. Let's say you find a game that you really like. Normally, you should be able to tap on it, then tap the blue play button and start playing. However, if it doesn't work, go to the bottom right and tap on the More button. From there, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings. At the top of the Settings menu, choose Account Info. There are two important things to check here. First, make sure your email address is verified. Sometimes, not verifying your email can cause issues with joining games. If it says Verify, tap on that and an email will be sent to you. Just open it and approve access to confirm that you own the account. Next, you'll want to tap on Verify My Age. Go through the process to confirm your birth date. Sometimes, verifying that you're over the age of 13 unlocks access to more games and features within Roblox. Let's say you've done all of this and it still doesn't work. Here's the next step. Open up your phone's settings. Tap on General, then scroll down and select iPhone Storage or the equivalent on Android. Find the Roblox app in the list and tap on it. Now choose the option to Offload App. What this does is twofold. First, it deletes all of the cache and temporary files that may be causing bugs or blocking game access. Second, it force updates the app to the latest version available on your device. Many of the problems that cause Roblox to not load or join games on mobile are simply due to outdated files or glitchy data. Once that's done, go ahead and open Roblox again. Everything should now be working normally, and you should be able to join and play any game you want without issues. So, that's basically how you can fix Roblox not joining mobile games. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!